What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? To watch a tutorial video, I mean. And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can buy Monero in Binance. Now, for those people who do not know Monero, Monero is a cryptocurrency, and basically it's also known as a, safety cryptocurrency. Why? Because when you transfer Monero, you wouldn't know who transferred and to whose wallet. All right. So it's pretty secure, to be honest. So just keep that in mind. Monero is a secret crypto which you can transfer to anybody without anybody being able to track you. So it's basically untrackable money, untrackable digital money, to be honest. So yeah, if you guys, want to know more about crypto and how to, buy stuffs in Binance, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And for those people who do not know Binance, it's a place where you guys can buy and sell crypto, and it's basically the world's top cryptocurrency exchange. And if you guys want to sign up into it, I will leave a referral link in the description for that as well. And let's get into the video. So the first step is go to Binance.com and log in into your account. Then go on where it says trade and go on classic. If you like to use advanced, you can, but I find, classic easy. Once you're over here on the search menu, you want to search for XMR. So Monero is also known as XMR. So make sure to write XMR. If you write Monero, nothing is going to be displayed. And over here, choose whichever crypto you want to use. I want to use USDT, so I'm just going to go with XMR/USDT over here. And I'm going to scroll a bit down. And I'm going to go on market because I want to buy it in its actual current price. And enter the number of XMR I want to buy. Click on buy XMR. And my XMR will be bought. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, everybody. And have a nice day.